Okay, very good morning to everyone. I'm audible.
Have a look at these pictures.
Yes, I'm audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So last class I discussed about the vector space model and Boolean model. So today I'm going to discuss TF-IDF. After that, probabilistic model. So what is TF-IDF? So TF-IDF, TF means term frequency and IDF means inverse document frequency. So TF-IDF is a statistical measure that evaluates how relevant a word is to a document in a collection of documents. And this is done by multiplying two matrices. So how many times of word appear in a document and the inverse document frequency of the word across set of documents. So again I am repeat, TF-IDF is a statistical measure that evaluates how relevant a word is to a document in a collection of documents. So TF-IDF for a word in a document is calculated by simply multiply two different matrices. The term frequency of a word in a document TF and the inverse document frequency IDF of word across set of documents. So the closer it is to 0, so the more common word is, so that means closer to 0, so that means the more common, that is more relevant. So last class we also that means calculate how to, that means vector space model. So more relevant, which frequency is more. So here also that means suppose one document is there, and within the document first of all we calculate, that means simply suppose one term is there, one term you can assume x. So x, so first of all we calculate the frequency of the term, that means suppose one document is there, so within the document how many times occurred or how many times present in the document. So in this way we can calculate the document frequency. So let's see better will how to calculate TF-IDF. Okay, so first of all the term frequency is often divided by document length. Term frequency is often divided by the document length. Better we'll take one example. Let's see. Wait. First of all, we go through this one. After that, we'll take one example, and I will show how to calculate TF and how to calculate IDF. This one. So here, if the word is very common and appear in a many documents, so this number will approach to 0. Otherwise, it will be approach 1. Suppose one term is there. So if this term is present in every document, so thus this number will be approach to 0. So if the word is very common and appear in many documents, so this number will approach to 0, otherwise it will approach to 1. Suppose different documents are there, document 1, document 2, document 3, and one terms is there, so this term present in every document. So in that case, so this number will be approached to 0. This is the meaning of this sentence. Otherwise, it will approach to 1. Now TF-IDF. So result in the TF-IDF is score a word in a document. So the higher score, the more relevant that word is in that particular document. जो I already explained कि जो जिसका, that means when after that when we calculate this one, so after that if the higher score, that means value is higher, so the more relevant that word is in that particular document. That means when we search in the Google search or engine, so that time जिसका rank, that means suppose if you want to search information retrieval, so information retrieval when you search, so after that first of all what is the more, that means uh, different pages are there. So maybe initially we'll get Wikipedia of information retrieval, next any other different are there. So first one is a more rank is one, that is more relevant document is present in that particular site. Okay. So now mathematical form, if IDF, this one T means term, and D comma D, capital D. So what is the meaning of D and D? So D, that means individual document. Suppose D1, D2, D3. First of all, we calculate within the document. After that, particular document. So let's see. First of all, better we'll take one example. After that, I will calculate. That means explain the mathematical form. So let's see. Okay. Suppose document one document is there, document one, and within the document, particular term. That means after stemming or tokenization, finally we'll get the term. So suppose two terms, one term is a good, another one is a boy, maybe any other term. Another document is there, suppose document 2. Within the document, suppose here another, so another two terms is there, good and girl. Another document is there, suppose document 3. Actually our objective is to how to calculate TF and IDF. Okay, so first of all we'll take 3 documents, and within the document these terms are present. So good, girl. Now document 3, suppose boy, girl. I'm taking very easy example, boy, girl and good. Okay, now after that what will calculate? Now word and frequency. After that we'll calculate Okay, so first of all, after that we'll calculate word and frequency. So word and frequency, word and frequency. So suppose you have three different words. So suppose good, or you can say term. Actually here we use this term, this. So good. So what is the frequency of good within the document? Anyone can say? Within the document, what is the frequency of good? Anyone? ये जो गुड है जो गुड डॉक्यूमेंट और गुड टर्म कितने बार है इन दिस पूरा टोटल डॉक्यूमेंट में? हाउ मेनी टाइम्स? कितने बार गुड है? जो गुड दिखाई दे रहा है आपको कितने टाइम से? हाउ मेनी टाइम्स? यस, आई एम ऑडिबल? यस, आई एम ऑडिबल?
यस सर।
मैं बोल रहा हूँ यहाँ पे आपका कितना टाइम गुड है? ये तो
3 टाइम्स।
बस इतना ही तो मैं जानना चाह रहा। सिमिलरली बॉय, बॉय कितना टाइम से?
2 टाइम्स सर।
वेरी गुड। देन गर्ल?
2 टाइम्स।
बस। So just simply we calculate term and frequency for individual term. Up next our objective is how to calculate term frequency. So term frequency कैसे निकालेंगे? TF. How to calculate TF, term frequency? Okay, let's see. First of all, I prepare the table. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Okay. So now how to calculate TF? So TF means number of repetition word in the document divided by number of words in document. Again, I am repeat. TF equals to number of repetition of word in document and divided by number of words in document. Okay. So that means suppose good. Okay. So let's see good. इतना डिफिकल्ट नहीं है, जस्ट आप थोड़ा सा ध्यान दीजिए. डीप. सो डॉक्यूमेंट 1, सपोज हम लोग का इन दिस यहाँ पे 3 डॉक्यूमेंट्स आर देयर. Document 1, document 2 and document 3. Okay. Now we'll calculate term frequency of good. So let's see. Again, I am repeat the formula. Number of repetition of word in document. Number of repetition of words in the document divided by number of words in sentence. So good अगर देखा जाए, so within the document one, how many times good present? Number of repetition number of repetition of word in document divided by number of words in document. So number of repetition of word how many times within the document good कितने बार है?
One, sir.
One ना, so one
Yes,
divided
sir.
by number of document in, that means number of word in document. तो गुड कितने यहाँ पे जो है कितने कितने वर्ड है विद इन द डॉक्यूमेंट? टोटल कितना वर्ड है? नंबर ऑफ
7.
नहीं विद इन द डॉक्यूमेंट, एक्चुअली वी आर कैलकुलेटिंग डॉक्यूमेंट 1, तो यहाँ पे आपका 2 है, डॉक्यूमेंट यहाँ पे 2 ही है, दो वर्ड है,
Yes, sir.
so 1/2. Yes, similarly we can calculate document 2. So document 2 में कितना है ना, 1/2, and document 3
1 by 3.
हाँ, डॉक्यूमेंट 3 में क्या होगा?
1 by 3.
Exactly, so 1/3. Now next boy, इसमें क्या होगा? डॉक्यूमेंट 1 1 by
1 by 2.
yes, here
0.
yes, एकदम सही. नेक्स्ट 1/3, ठीक है. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट गर्ल, इसमें क्या होगा डॉक्यूमेंट 1 में?
0.
यस. नेक्स्ट और नेटवर्क इश्यूज. Okay, so now I am audible. Yes, now I am audible. Yes, I am audible, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now next we'll calculate. So next after that we'll calculate IDF. IDF. So what is the formula of IDF? Log within the bracket number of documents सॉरी आज फिर से नेट का प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, बार बार फ्लक्चुएट कर रहा है। Okay. So now what is the formula of IDF? Number of documents divided by number of document containing words. Number of document containing words. Now another table. So word, these are the word or term. Now after that we'll calculate IDF. 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 Okay. So IDF. So what is the formula? Number of documents divided by number of documents containing word. So now good. So इसका फॉर्मूला क्या है? लॉग ऑफ क्या होगा? तो नंबर ऑफ डॉक्यूमेंट कितना है? 3 है। टोटल नंबर ऑफ डॉक्यूमेंट कितना? So that means number of documents. So document 1, document 2, document 3. So total number of document 3. Now number of documents containing words or containing term. So ये जो 3 documents में कितना टाइम्स है ना? 3. So that's why log 3/3. So that means obviously the value ये क्या हो जाएगा ना? log 1. So log 1 का वैल्यू 0. Now this one log कितना होगा? इसका वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगा? बॉय क्या होगा इसमें? डिवाइडेड बाय कितना होगा? एनीवन? एनीवन कैन से व्हाट इज द वैल्यू? दैट मीन्स बॉय का जो आईडीएफ क्या होगा? लॉग ऑफ 3/3 Number of documents containing words. How many times? बॉय जो है बॉय कितना बार है यहाँ पे, इसका फ्रीक्वेंसी कितना है? यू ऑलरेडी कैलकुलेट ना, 2 times. So just simply 3/2. This one 3/2.
2.
In this way we can calculate this value. Okay. So now we can calculate. Now we can calculate this one, TF into IDF. So TF IDF you can calculate. So we can calculate TF ID. Simply multiply. So this value is 0. This value is 0. And after that we just simply multiply this TF into IDF. TF into IDF, then we'll get this one. So TF into IDF we can calculate, simply multiply with this one. So we can make another table and we can calculate this one. So document 1, document 2 and document 3. Now we can calculate TF ID, उसका कितना है उस document का ID. So simply multiply TF into IDF. So TF into IDF multiply करने के बाद we'll get this one. Suppose document 1, then document 2 and document 3. Document 3. Now, so what is that means TF into IDF. So F1, suppose F1, F2 and F3 और इंडिविजुअल, सपोज एक क्या था इसका ना, गुड, then another one is a boy and girl. Yes. So now what is the value of this one? Simply TF into IDF. So IDF गुड के लिए what is the value of IDF? 0. So गुड के लिए 0 होगा तो ऑब्वियसली 0 इंटू कुछ भी 0 करेंगे तो 0 ही होगा. नाउ दिस वन बॉय, उसके लिए क्या है? IDF log 3/2 इंटू इंडिविजुअल डॉक्यूमेंट में देखना है इसके क्या है उसका बॉय के लिए. बॉय का TF क्या है? डॉक्यूमेंट 1 में TF का वैल्यू क्या है? हाफ है. दिस वैल्यू, दिस इज द वैल्यू ऑफ TF, multiply IDF. So what is the value of IDF? Into log 3/2. Yes, this one is clear. Now similarly for boy, so document 2. So document 2, first of all we calculate what is the TF. So TF value is 0. Okay, so 0 multiply कुछ भी करो वो होगा. Now next one, document 3. So document 3 में क्या है? 1/3 into what is the value of this one? IDF. So log 3/2. Log 3/2. So in this way we can calculate this one. Similarly girl. So girl TF What is the value of TF? TF का वैल्यू क्या है गर्ल फॉर डॉक्यूमेंट 1? 1/, yes, डॉक्यूमेंट 1 में क्या है? 0. नाउ दिस वन